buddy. Being Magic Sea Bunny here. Magic Sea Bunny, you're a little too close to the camera, buddy. Oh, yeah, it's okay. He's still learning how this works. Yeah, you can back up a little bit. All right, Magic Sea Bunny is back again because we are starting a new letter this week, right? Yeah. We are going to be learning about this letter. Does anyone know what letter this is? A, right, letter A. So, Magic Sea Bunny, he likes letter A, right? Yeah, but he likes one of the A's better. Do you think Magic Sea Bunny likes capital A or lowercase a better? Lowercase a, why? Because it has a curve, right? Magic Sea Bunny loves curves, right? He loves curves in letters and numbers. So he likes capital A, it's okay, but it's all lines, right? When we build a capital A, we use 3 lines. We have to always start at the top and make one big line this down, another big line down, and a little line across. But for lowercase a, we make our curve and a little line. So we are going to be learning all about letter A this week. So you're going to be getting a couple extra videos from me this week so that we can learn more about our letter and our number. Do you want to see our number too? Yeah, I think you'll like it. Got some curves in it. All right, so our letter is A, and we'll be learning more about it tomorrow. We'll talk more about it when we meet. And number 16 comes after 15, right? 15, 16, and then next will be 17. So this is 16. Can you all help me count these 16 triangles? Yeah, okay, let's see. Well, he's going to use his ears as a pointer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So we are going to be learning about letter A and number 16 this week, okay? And one more thing that I wanted to do with you is, put you down, okay? All right, we are going to do, see if I can do this. A science experiment together. Whoa, let's see if I can do this. All right, so we are going to do a science experiment. You can do this at home, but I wanted to show you a little bit of how you could do it at home. So you are going to need, ooh, I'm gonna pull this table over. Un momento. One moment. Here we go. Put these things on the floor. Our other book, flowers. All right. We are going to do a science experiment about our color of the month. Our color is green. So we have to think, how do we make the color green? What 2 colors can we mix together to make green? Anyone know? Yeah, blue and yellow. So this science experiment is called a walking rainbow. We are going to make a rainbow walk. What? So you could do this a couple different ways at home. I did send your moms and dads a picture and some directions of how to do this. So you could do it with all the colors of the rainbow, but you could also just do it to make green. So I am going to do it just to make green, and then maybe another day I could do all of the colors. So you need, depending on how many you want to do, if you just want to make green, like I'm going to do, you just need 3 cups. And it's just important that you can see through them. It could be like little plastic cups or big glass ones or jars, whatever you have at your house, as long as you can see through them and see what's inside. So I have 2 cups with water. They're filled about 3/4 of the way up. and 1 cup that is empty. Okay, so I have my food coloring. I have the 2 colors we need to make green. So we have yellow and blue. Okay, so I'm gonna put yellow food coloring in 1 of the cups. And then I have a spoon ready to stir it up. So we're gonna put yellow in this one. And I'm gonna put a lot of food coloring in there. So we make it super duper yellow. Okay, so we have our yellow water. Okay, and then next is blue. So next I'm going to put lots of blue food coloring in this one. Okay, stir that up. It gets super blue. You can see how dark the colors are. I'm putting lots in there. And then we're going to put the empty cup. We're going to make a triangle. Okay, it's kind of hard to see, but a triangle of cups. Okay, and I have 2 pieces of paper towel. I'm going to fold them. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to try to turn this so you can see. I'm going to put one side in the blue, and I'm going to put the other side in the empty cup. Okay? And then I'm going to do the same thing with the yellow. So I'm going to put one side in the yellow water, one side in the empty cup. And what's going to start to happen is that the color is going to walk up the paper towels and then come into this cup. So if the yellow water walks up and into this cup, and the blue water walks up into the same cup, and the yellow and blue mix together, what is it going to make? Green, right? So if you want to do this at home, you can try it and see if you can make this empty cup fill up with green water. Okay, I'm gonna let this work here at my house too, and I'll take a picture of what happens. So if you don't do it at home, I can still share it with you on your computer, on your iPad at home, so you can see what happens. And it might take some time. It's not going to happen right away. So if you want to do it at home, maybe find a good spot to put it, to let it walk and mix together, and you can kind of just check on it throughout the morning and see if it works. See if you can make the color green. You can be scientists, right? All right. So thank you for meeting with me. And I hope that you can all be scientists today and try to make the color green. Maybe if you can't do this science experiment, maybe you could find another way to make the color green. Maybe you could paint a green picture, right? You could mix yellow and blue paint. See if you can make it turn green, right? You can think of a different way to make the color green. But whatever you do, I hope that you have so much fun today. And I miss you, and I will see you tomorrow.